Greetings everyone. My name is Vishal Joshi. This video is about the announcement of the operating system practical program repository, which is the compilation of the important operating system practicals, which I encountered when I was studying operating system. So this is about the introduction of this repository. The repository contains OS related problems, or I will say programs, like we all know the scheduling algorithms, the fork programs like scheduling algorithms like HCFS, FRTF, primitive, parity, some test scheduling algorithms like FCFS disk scheduling, SSTF disk scheduling, ScanDisk, also page replacement algorithms, FIFO, LRU, and also MRU. This repository contains almost all important practicals with a clean and accurate codes, also with the output of the code in the repository. For example, if I came to here, there's a code of LRU page replacement and also its output. These all are done in C language. I have tried to compile all the important practicals under one roof. Although these codes are not done by me on my own, I also have learned these algorithms through blogs and videos that are available during by my time. And I don't find any compiled resource with all codes. So I tried to make them combine together through my repository so that you guys don't find any difficulty. Also, if I also had to refer these programs in future for any interview preparation, so I can directly access from here. So there were times that I faced difficulty, like I do not get to find the exact code from where the tutorial I have taught. So here I try to make all codes at one place. So you can find all the codes through the link which I will be attaching on this video description, which will be the link to my GitHub repository. And so from there you can access, you can fork the repository, you can clone. So if you will came like let open new tab, let's take incognito. So if I get out, so it is my username github.com/notcat, and from here there are many compiled resources like but here we are talking about operating system. So this is a repository and I will keep it here only now. So you can come and view operating system, and from here at this point there are 16 practicals basically from all the important ones. I there may be one some practicals that you might encounter through your curriculum and it's not present here. So for that I will be adding them, or also you can create a pull request for them on your own so that I can merge them and add you as a contributor. So let's take an example. Like here is the zombie process. I try to keep crisp and short codes. I will not say it. I know this code is simple and small, so I'm saying for this, but that's not for all. You might find these codes lengthy in some cases, but it's depend on peer to peer. And also, it's like something you are studying for first time, like round robin. So you will find like what has been done, but it's not like you will not get it. You have to spend some time and you will get through it. So I've also provided output for the same in case you want to see the output or you want to match yours. So it's all about learning that every new thing will be difficult at first, but as you went through it, and you will find it things easier. So now, like it has 16 at the time, all like important ones, like fork, some using fork with the parent and child process, zombie process, orphan process, the first come first serve scheduling, the FCFS, SRTF, round robin primitive, and these are scheduling. Banker safety algorithm, which is a deadlock prevention algorithm. Now these page replacement algorithms, FIFO, LRU, and also there is MRU. And then there are disk scheduling algorithms, which are SSTF, FCFS, and ScanDisk. So in case uh, you might not find the practical you may be looking for, I'll be sorry for that. You can always like ping me on LinkedIn. I have attached my LinkedIn here so that I can work over those codes. Also, you can create a pull request by here. Like if I came to the main window from where I started, it's like this one. You can create a pull request from here and you can attach your own codes, and I will merge them into the repository. Also, you can follow these steps to clone the repository. Like you need to copy. Uh, in case you need to clone, but nowadays I don't feel that you had that need of cloning the repository. You can always make it fork, and then this entire copy will make your repository in your GitHub profile. Also, if you want it to download it as zip folder, you can always download it from here. But here, let me show it how you can clone. This is exactly the same link, which is here, this. And okay, let me show you how you can clone this repository. And I'm copying from here. Number one is same. You can follow this installation process like this. So let me use Hyper so that some might use Ubuntu. Now, yes, I also recommend that you guys should use Ubuntu for these programs. I'm not saying that this code will not run Windows, but yes, in Windows, the header file for fork is different. I also did this all in Ubuntu, and I feel that you will also be doing in your colleges or anywhere you also using Ubuntu. So like, okay, like let's went to J drive. Okay, I have kept here. Okay, J drive. Let's come to J drive. Okay, see, I forgot the commands. Yeah, we are at J. Let me see what are here. Okay, these are folders like here. Let me clear here. We are not seeing any operating system repository. Let me clear this. So now you had to write one command set clone. But yes, for this clone to be work, command to be work, you have installed Git in your desktop in your local machine, and that this command is totally fine. In Ubuntu, you can use sudo apt-get install Git, and in Windows, you can download Git from Chrome and any browser. So git clone and shift insert, it will paste whatever we have copied. And we can see it took some time, some few seconds, and now we can see processing. So the repository is clone, and if now I will say, um, what is that command? Okay, dir. So now operating system, we have this folder here. So yeah, CD operating system, you all know. I know it is like very simple. CD operating system. So I am now in the operating system. Now here at dir, I will find all the practicals as well listed. I can open anyone. I have written here CD practical 01, and there are up to 15. Let me open CD practical. Let me open 16. Now if I dir, there are two. I know one is code and output PNG. Okay, like we have operating system. We have 16 here. We have these two files here. Output is here. Clone to your local branch. Sorry, local system. So I can open this. This will open in my VS Code, or it will open in Dev. Let's try. I've not worked Dev also for a very long time. So yeah, this is the code. Also, so it's fine. And from here I can show you the code. Like I use this command mru. So that we can see our code. Cat is basically for displaying the content. So that's it. How you can clone, and you can make this repository, hold down it, clone to your local machine. And from here I have made links, like you will open fork and you will redirect to the practical one which contains program of fork. So this is all about like how you can clone. You can download this zip folder, but I will recommend keeping clone. It is like a easy process. Again, for zip folder you have to something like WinRAR or Gwer for Windows and all. Not anyone to might get a comfortable, but I will suggest to use a cloning repository. You can always fork, that is very good. Although you also need to, like, you can access this link and you came to here, you can fork and the entire repository will be copied to your GitHub profile. Although if you find this repository helpful, you can start the repository, you can fork, and in case some there might be practical that you might not find here, you can always ask me to add those practical. I will try to add them. And also, like As I mentioned earlier, you can create a pull request and I will add you as a contributor here. And it will be work for all. And it's not like that you need to maintain this, you have to study for passing the exam. In future also, we also had to need a grasp of these. So we can find a cumulative resource everywhere here. So it's all about this repository. So I feel if you have any concern about the repository, any error you find, you can either ping me on LinkedIn. Here's my LinkedIn, or also you can follow me on GitHub. It's totally up to you. But this repository is all about learning and having a reference of what the practicals I did. And I feel like the difficulties I faced, you might not face. Again, they might be easy, might not be. But you have to understand everything you go at one is not easy. So give some time, try to run these codes, try to see the output, and try to see the concept behind the algorithms, and you will good to go. It's all about learning and experiencing what these practical, these small programs being working in daily devices and all. So that's all about the repository. Again, thank you for being patient if you come to the end. Like if it is only an introductory video or of the compiled resources of the operating system. So yeah, thank you and now get this set.